I wish that everything I touch would turn to gold.
Ooh. Your wish is granted.
Really? Oh, let's see. Look at that! It's a block of solid gold. Oh.
You are rich! You're mega rich! You're super mega rich!
I am! Let's see. Wow. Hang on a minute. What am I going to eat? Oh no! This is terrible. What am I going to eat? Simon, please help me.
Oh, careful, Diva. Don't touch me.
What have I done? What have I done?
Can we reverse her wish, Genie? We have to help her.
What do we need to do?
Well, you'll have to give up your wishes if you want to put things back the way they were.
Right, I'll give up my wish.
Yeah, and so will I.
You do that for me.
Of course we'd do that for you.
You'd really give up your wish?
Of course I'd give up my wish. I don't need anything more. I have everything that I need right here.
What do you want? Well, I don't need anything. What do you want? No, I don't need anything. What do you want? Well, I don't need anything. There's nothing in the world I need. Why would I want more when I have a view like this? I'm on the doorstep of an ocean. It's complete and utter bliss. When the sun comes out, I put on my trunks and go for a dip. I can swim with the fishes and wave at passing ships. Why would I want more when I have cupboards full of food? I can cook whenever I want and some of it's edible too. A delicious cannelloni or a plate of macaroni or a bowl of minestrone. Do you want some?
No, I'm okay, thanks.
Not for me.
I'm full, actually.
What do you want? Well, I don't need anything. What do you want? No, I don't need anything. What do you want? Well, I don't need anything. There's nothing in the world I need. Why would I want more when I have air in my lungs? I can put one foot in front of the other and I can stick out my tongue. I can do a headstand or I could play my guitar. And when the night falls, I can stare at all of the stars. Why would I want more when I have friends like these? They're my constant companions, with them I'm at ease. So I'm happy with what I've got. I don't need a lot. There's nothing I'm looking for. I don't need any more. What do you want? Well, I don't need anything. What do you want? No, I don't need anything. What do you want? Well, I don't need anything. There's nothing in the world I need. What do you want? Well, I don't need anything. What do you want? No, I don't need anything. What do you want? Well, I don't need anything. There's nothing in the world that I need.
Very well. Your wish is reversed.
I will have such fun today. We will have plenty to say. I will write some songs to play, and Simon says I'll guide the ships coming our way so they can sail into the bay.